Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I pack for a big trip, and I have to say I still find packing so stressful even after so many years, and I wish there was like one special magic trick to make packing easier, but I think it doesn't exist. What I can do is show you guys a little bit of my tricks and like what I do to kind of make it a little bit easier. So I'm packing for a special trip and I have to pack a lot because I'm going to Coachella this weekend, which is in Palm Springs in the desert. So it's going to be very hot. Afterwards, I'm going to stay 1.5 weeks in Los Angeles. After that, I'm going for a job to Aspen, where it is super cold because it's high in the mountains in the snow. So I need to pack winter. And then I have a wedding in Texas, and then I'm gonna go back to New York. So this is a lot of different climates, a lot of different outfits, because for Coachella I need like more festival stuff. I try to organize as much as possible in advance. And actually the first step, what I always do is I lay out everything on my bed. And I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how I do that. So, okay, I'm in my bedroom right now. And as you can see, so what I normally do, I lay out everything I wanna bring. So here I have all my tops, dresses, jean, Coachella outfit. Oh my God, I can't wait to show you guys. Here's like a little sneak preview. These are like pants. This look is going to be so cool. I think so. More jeans, sportswear. Then I have some hats, more hats. I'm gonna turn around. Here I have like all different bikinis, and there I have like bags for LA, bags for Coachella. I have my pee full of like gym wear, so even though I'm traveling I can still like work out a little bit. Here, camera gear. Here I have all my shoes I want to pack. These are for Coachella as well. And over here you see all these like little bags, and what I'm going to do is all of this goes first in those little bags, but I will show you guys later in the video. Then we're gonna go here. Oh my God, it's so much stuff. Here I have all my basic makeup, lipsticks, mascaras and eye stuff. Here I have more palettes. So I organize everything already in little see-through bags, because then I can actually see the product. So if I need something, I can easily like grab it. So here I got my hair products, and I got like super cute travel size shampoo, and this is a conditioner from Cuvée Beauty, and these are all like champagne little bottles, super easy. Here I have all my belts, sunglasses, all my hippie jewelry, headbands, more jewelry. And here I got like some color stuff for my hair. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna use this on Coachella, but I'm not really sure yet. So yeah, this is gonna go all in a suitcase, and I will show you guys how I'm gonna pack all this big mess. So I will start packing all my stuff into these little bags from Lean Travel. It is so easy to organize everything, and you will see that you actually fit a lot more into your suitcase if you use these. So I open these up with a little zip, and I put my sandals and all stars in here and close the zip. Even if I don't pack a lot, I always use this for my shoes because it protects as well. And I don't want to have dirt everywhere in my suitcase. I do the same things for my clothes. T-shirt with the t-shirts, jeans with the jeans, and workout clothes all together. If you have a little space on the side, you can roll up clothes to fill up. I know a lot of people roll all their clothes, but to be honest, I found that a really bit inconvenient when I unpack. Then it's time to put all these little bags into the suitcase. It is so nice there is a mesh at front, so you can see which clothes or which shoes you actually put in the bag. If I have any space on the sides, I fill this up with accessories like bags, scarves or other stuff. To really use the space in your suitcase efficient, I always fold the jacket double and put this on top instead of folding it completely, because that takes a lot of room. Then on the other side, I fill this up with more clothes and I find a little gap to put my P-Volve elastic bands and gliders. I always travel with my workout gear, so I can still work out when I'm on the road, in my hotel room, outside or in the gym. To fill up the small spaces of the side, I put little plastic bags of accessories. I have my sunglasses, my jewelry and belts in clear bags, so I can easily see them and pick the right item if needed. Of course, my expensive jewelry I'm not bringing in this little bag. I'm either wearing it or it is in my hand luggage. Then this suitcase is full. I always have the struggle that I overpack and my bag is too heavy, so for this long trip I decided to check in 2 big bags and take a carry-on. I'm going to show you guys what I put in my toilet bag first. I really like this black one because it has 2 sides with a lot of space and I can hang it up in my hotel bathroom. The first thing, I put my contacts in there so I can see properly. Then I take this Hair Before Jasmine toner, which is going to be very nice to hydrate the skin in the desert. Then I put my Omeroviska face polisher in there and my pharmacy vitamin C mask. To clean the face, I take fresh soy face cleanser and an M61 makeup remover. Then I take several face creams like Ampoule Lycée and Barbara Sturm, depending on the weather. Then I'm adding a liquid hydration elixir from the Beauty Chef and a Drunk Elephant sun protection. As you can see, skincare is super important for me. So this side is full and I can close it. When I travel, I also really like to take these cleansing cloths and vitamin C pads with me because it's so easy to pop in my bag. It is great for touch up on the road. Then we're gonna fill up the other side. I have my fresh deodorant and Givenchy fragrance. Also very important, my toothbrush. I actually often forget this, which is really stupid. I bring toothpaste and my hairbrush. Then I take some Supergoop sunscreen because you can never have enough sunscreen. It is so important to constantly protect your skin towards the sun. Last but not least, I'm adding these mini cuvée champagne, shampoo and conditioner. If you want to check out my favorite products, I will link them in the description below. Then I fill up each side of the suitcase with even more clothes. Orange bag is my makeup bag. I'm super excited to actually try out some new makeup looks during Coachella. I feel you can kind of go a little bit more crazy there. Then I put my normal toilet bag in there, my hair products, my hair stylers and my little hat. Even my P-Volve ball fits in here. Then it's ready to close and pack. It's very important to spread the weight between suitcases. So I had shoes in the other one and in this one a lot of beauty products which are normally very heavy. Then it's time to pack all my camera gear and hand luggage. I'm using a small carry-on and here I always put my valuable things. You never know what happens with your suitcase during delays or transits. I just want to have my valuable stuff with me. On the left side, I'm actually putting my winter clothes for Aspen in there, so I don't have to open that up during the first part of my trip. I also take a big bag just in case. Then I'm taking my tripod because I gotta make those videos. I have this little bag for all my SD cards and battery because I don't want to lose them, so I have to stay on top of organizing them. Here I have another bag with my MacBook charger, phone chargers, etc. Of course my camera comes with my little camera case and a mini tripod. Very often I also throw some snacks in there like flaxseed crackers. And then it's done, ready to travel. So guys, as you can see, I packed a lot of stuff. I still have a little bit of space, which I actually really like because sometimes I go shopping or I get extra stuff for some reason. So I always keep some space. I just want to show you guys what I bring in my hand luggage quickly. Obviously, I bring my laptop so I can work in the plane. I bring a notebook, easy with the work. I always take these Bose headphones because they have noise cancelling, so I don't hear anything in the plane, which is amazing. I have my travel cup, which I'm opening, so I can get coffee and like tea for on the way without like wasting any plastic. I always have some snacks. Here I got like a protein bar, an apple, and then I got like a little toilet bag with hand sanitizer, facial spray, some cleansing cloths, and eye masks. And obviously I always bring a charger with me. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this packing video. I hope you learned something from it as well. I have everything pretty organized, I think, and I'm ready for my trip, which I'm super excited about. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And I will promise you guys this weekend I will have a lot of Coachella videos, so stay very tuned. Bye bye.